and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Elia Atira binti Muhammad Kamal and my matric number is 287064. I'm currently in semester 5 of Bachelor of Islamic Finance and Banking. For this assignment of Islamic accounting subject, we were given the task of interviewing entrepreneurs based on 3 categories, namely entrepreneurs, street hawkers, and individuals who have pay slips. In the interview, we asked their business background, how they manage their expenses, income, assets, and liabilities, and from that, we will establish an income statement and balance sheet for their business. The purpose of this interview is to find out how they manage their income and expenses in their daily life, as well as how they manage their business. Assignments will include all the data and information. I felt very excited and happy to do this assignment. I am also grateful that I had the opportunity this semester to interview people who were in the industry. Before the interview, I expected that this task would be difficult to find entrepreneurs, street hawker, and individuals with pay slips because the majority of them are busy with their respective jobs and not all of them have time to be interviewed. Our expectation changed and we are very grateful because the 3 target groups which consist of entrepreneurs, namely Mr. Snoraida, which is the full-time cosmetic businesswoman, the second is Mr. Atis to be interviewed as a street hawker, and last but not least is Miss Atira is an individual who have pay slip because they are willing to spend time for the interview even though they are busy with their respective jobs. They are also willing to help me and the member of the groups to complete this task. All 3 groups are smart in managing their income and evidence of wealth without deficits in their income statement. For example, for the entrepreneur Mr. Snoraida, a full-time cosmetic businesswoman, managed her finance wisely because she is able to save her money through ASB corporate financing, and she also has takaful as personal protection of RM600 per month. On the other hand, Mr. Atis, the street hawker, is also astute in handling her earnings as she works hard to boost her income by accepting side order for catering and snacks. Finally, there is Miss Atira, an individual with a pay slips and wise money management skills to her monthly spending plan that involves setting aside which is RM100 for fixed deposit and having takaful personal protection. Their business practice adhere to Islamic Sharia principles and do not involve any unlawful activities such as riba, maisir, which is gambling, and rorar, which is arkan tenti. Additionally, Mr. Aida, the owner of a cosmetic company, and Mr. Atis, a street vendor, pay business and personal zakat in their respective business such as zakat on income and zakat on gold. It will naturally include a balance between social and personal character. Through this assignment, the interview session with entrepreneurs, street hawker, and individual with pay slips, and it was a new challenge for me and the group members. We were lucky because Mr. Aida, Mr. Atis, and Miss Atira want to cooperate during the interview process. We also felt very happy because we were able to gain a lot of knowledge and gain new experience through the interview we conduct with 3 target groups to complete the assignment completely. In addition to knowing their profit and loss, we can also learn a little bit about the ups and downs of challenges in doing business for entrepreneurs and street hawkers. I can say that this serving learning experience has enlightened and educated me a lot. I also learned from this assignment how important to carefully manage our cash flow in order to know where our money is going and how best to use it. Miss Atira, for instance, is capable of owning her own asset and is wise in handling her spending and money at a young age. My suggestion is that Mr. Aida should invest her profits so that they can be used as future savings for her, just as Mr. Atis should make an emergency plan and divide their regular savings into investment such as money market funds or short-term bonds so that they can increase in the future. Miss Atira needs to create a separate savings account so that the distribution of savings does not mix with spending money. Finally, I would advise the 3 target groups to always plan their finance intelligently so that their business can expand in the future. Lastly, I would like to say thank you for all my group members and my lecturer that helped me a lot to finish this assignment. That's all from me. Thank you.